hopeless romantic all my life.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Hi!
Wait, are you like a person from like a talk show or something? Like,
No. I'm just the person who's singing to people, you know?
Sing.
Sing for us!
Okay.
TikTok?
Yeah, it could be TikTok. It could be YouTube.
So, okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
You hear my guitar anyway? Okay. I've been so busy ignoring and hiding about what my heart actually say. I've never been enjoying my serenity. If I need, I've got a lot of company that makes me happy. Wait, I forgot the chorus. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Alright,
very good.
That was good,
Yeah.
bro.
Thank you.
Do you have TikTok or Instagram?
Of course, of course.
Yeah. Oh my god!
What?
David, you're famous, bro! I saw him on For You page.
No, I'm not.
What the f? Okay,
Hi,
Hi.
how are you doing?
I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm also doing great.
Nice. You have a nice hair. I like it.
Thank you very much.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany? Like
Yeah.
Berlin?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Paola.
Such a pretty
What's your name? Thank you.
My name is Habibi.
Habibi.
Nice to meet you, Paula.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
So, you play guitar?
I do play guitar, and the plan is I want to sing something for you. Like,
Oh.
can I?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, wait. Check. You hear my voice? Check.
Yeah, I
Okay.
do.
I've been so busy ignoring and hiding about what my heart actually say. I've never been enjoying my serenity. If I need, I've got a lot of company that makes me happy. So try to figure it out from where our pain is captive. Running to an old scene, get away from the pressure. Wandering to God alone, that is so pure. Gotta have to always make sure that I'm not just somebody's pleasure. Yeah, that's all I've got.
Oh my goodness, that's so good. It was
Really?
so
That's so good?
Yeah. it
Okay,
was
so then
good.
I did it
Is
to
it
make you happy
your-
with the song.
Is it your song?
No, it's not.
Your voice is amazing.
No, you're too much. You make me fly. My god. No.
Your voice was like so beautiful. I really enjoyed it. Like it's like Oh my goodness.
Okay, stop. Give me compliment. I can't. Tell me about you.
About me?
Yeah, about you.
Okay, so I'm currently 17. I come from Berlin and I'm still in high school. But I'm graduating.
This year?
Yeah, this year. And okay, so I like to act and to dance.
Dance? Really?
Yeah, I like to
Wow.
dance. Why?
Can I see your dance? Maybe I mean on your Instagram or something. Like
Oh no, I don't. Well, I have.
you don't post it?
I have like I think one video in.
Oh, let me see.
But I don't post that much actually about my dancing because I'm sometimes really insecure about it. But
What? I'm sure you're good at it.
I don't know.
Ah. This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Nice.
only a short clip. Yeah.
Is it in your school?
Oh, that's in my acting school.
Acting school?
Yeah. It's like it's
Ah,
an
okay.
academy and we like dance and act and sing. And yeah, it's for only 10 months, but yeah.
So, okay, you are like you can do acting, dancing, singing. A lot of talent.
Well,
Wow.
I can't sing very well. I'm learning.
Learning, yeah, that's the point. What do you do like in the future? What are you gonna do?
I want to be a doctor.
Like your
surgeon.
dreams?
And a doctor.
A doctor.
Yeah. Because like I'm also already studying and everything, preparing for medical school and everything.
So then, what happened to like your dance, sing?
Oh, it's kind of a hobby, you know, because
Oh,
I
hobby.
tried.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, so Paula,
Yeah.
thank you for having me. It was
No,
nice to talking to you, really.
Yeah, same. It was really nice talking to you.
Yeah. Goodbye. Have a
Bye.
great
Day.
Night.
Night.
Night?
Yeah, it's becoming night because it's already 8 p.m.
Okay. So have
yeah.
a great night. Goodbye.
Thank you. You too have a great day,
Yeah.
night, evening. I don't know.
Night.
Okay, night. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
I'm good. Where are you from?
Hungary. And you?
Hungary?
No.
I'm kidding. I'm from Indonesia.
Oh, you play guitar.
I do play guitar.
Please play us. Play.
Okay. I would love to. Lights go down and the night is calling to me, yeah. I hear voices singing songs in the street, and I know we won't be going home for so long, but I know that I won't be on my own. I love this feeling, yeah, right now. I wish you were here with me. 'Cause right now everything is new to me. You know I can find a feeling, and every night I feel it. Right now I wish you were here with me. Okay.
Wow.
You like this one?
You're so excellent.
Thank you very much. What is your name? I don't even know your name.
Jasmine. Mali.
My name is Habibi. Hello.
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 Where are you from?
Lithuania.
Lithuania?
Yes.
Can you guess where I am from?
UK?
No, I'm
No.
not. Asian.
That's too many options.
I am from Indonesia. Anyway.
Okay, that's cool.
What is your name?
Justina.
Huh?
Justina. Her name is Justina.
You okay? I think you still numb.
Oh.
I think. Okay, Justina. What about you?
Kunugonda.
That's
You're lying to me. You
No.
can't lie.
No. From Lithuania. We are from Lithuania, so that's how our name
Okay.
sounds.
Okay. Repeat.
Kunugonda.
Kunigonda.
Yes. Oh yeah, that's so pretty.
You're lying.
No.
No. For real.
For real! For real!
What is called call your friend call you Connie or Gonda? Kone. Okay. My name is Habibi.
Are you for sure?
For sure. Like anyway, I have a guitar here. Can I sing something for you?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
I'm not getting in the ads only unless you pack your bags. You're coming with me. I'm tired of laughing from afar and never being where you are. Close the window, lock the doors. Don't wanna leave you anymore. Don't wanna leave you anymore. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Really?
That was amazing. Speechless.
Okay. Have you guys ever heard that song? Maybe.
Yes.
Yeah.
What a song? Like
What's the name
Yes.
of the song?
yeah. Guess the song.
Cars outside.
Wow.
Right. Anyway, can you teach me some of Lithuania languages?
Okay.
Just a
okay,
little?
Okay.
Not to be
Okay.
inappropriate, though. Inappropriate.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, it'll be fun. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Bus hello. Labas. It means hello.
Labus.
Labas. Labas.
Okay. Then?
Goodbye would be ata. Wait, what the
Goodbye will be ata.
Similar.
Ata.
Okay. God damn.
Wait. What about I like you?
Tumampadninke.
Damn, that's gotten with teachers.
Tumam patikya. Ping.
그냥 내일의 나한테 일을 맡길래 오늘의 나에겐 일이 울게 놔둘래 하루 종일 울어도 손에 잡히는 게 없어 시간 하루만 못 본 척 해줄래
I wanna ask you something about a boy. What a type a boy? What
What's
do you think?
our type of...
Yeah, your type of boy. Do you like Asian people?
Yeah.
Well, I look more into inside than outside.
inside? Oh, like
Personality.
personality. He's kind. He's like that, or
Yeah. Polite,
okay.
loyal.
What about physically? Physically,
It does not
It doesn't
mean
matter?
anything for me unless he is healthy.
healthy.
Yes.
What do you mean healthy?
I think if he has a bigger physical appearance, it doesn't mean that he is absolutely unhealthy, disgusting, and ugly, and all that.
Okay, got it. You too?
Well, I'm not looking because I like to be alone. I'm still not
Really?
into.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, guys, it was nice talking to you.
It was nice
Right.
talking to you.
In here, it's 4 a.m. I
Wow.
have to.
It's
Yeah,
12.
I have to go to sleep. So then, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hey.
What's up?
Hi, everyone. Where are you going?
We are drinking at the
Drinking.
party, but we are in the car.
We
chilling.
just chilling.
Okay. Yeah, I see you guys in a
Can you
car.
play a song for us?
I do, yeah.
And what song?
Do you know Alan Walker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
And do you
The
know?
song
Do you
from-
know Harry Styles?
Oh, Harry Styles?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
As it was.
Can you? Yes.
As it was.
As it was?
Yes.
Wait. I have to.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
you know.
Which one?
Holding me back. Gravity is holding me back. I want you to hold up the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say when everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who will stay. In this world, it just started. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it just started. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was. As it was.
Wow.
Okay, thank you.
Bro, your voice.
Is that song, man?
Hey, your voice is fucking
Thank you.
good.
Thank
Now,
you.
anything from
Do you
From-
from Lewis Capaldi?
Lewis Capaldi?
Yeah,
or
you know
Volker?
something?
Volker. Yeah, Volker. Alan.
Hey, just
Alan
play something
Walker?
you know
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Play something you
Řekněte
know
mu,
good.
že toto chtěl zahrát.
Okay.
Play something
It's a-
you know good.
What do you want it to play to us?
Play it, bro. Your voice is amazing. I want to fuck you. You are fucking handsome and your voice is just sexy.
So, yeah, you can
Shut
play.
the fuck up, man. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
For you.
It's kind of a sad song, anyway.
Okay.
I'm going to cry. Sorry.
Shut up.
Sorry.
In my life, in my mind, where I make up stories all the time, and now pretend that I am not someone left to face the world alone. Lately I'm not the same. I follow strangers calling out my name. Have a feeling you will be so proud, and he's gonna need me now, but it's not you. It's not you. He will never be you. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. guys ever heard that song?
Wow.
Oh, I never heard this song, but perform.
Something happy for us. No?
What a happy song.
Oh wait. Good for you. Yeah.
Olivia?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
Yeah, my diggies.
Baby, I'm too emotional. React about this like I wouldn't so. Maybe I'm too emotional, and maybe you never cared at all. Good for you, you look happy and healthy. Not me, if you ever care to ask. Good for you, you're doing great out there without me, baby. Like a damn sociopath, I've lost my mind. I spend the night crying, now roll in my bedroom. So I'm fake that I really don't get it, but I guess good for you. Good for you, I guess don't move that really easily. Okay, okay.
Oh.
That's all I've got for me.
Do you ever perform live in front of like some show?
Front of people?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Do you
Play
ever,
front
do
of
you
people.
have stress or something?
At first, yeah, I stress, like I'm shy, you know, in front of
Yeah.
people. But right now, I can.
Yeah, good.
I think I
you
can.
don't have to feel stressed. Your voice is amazing.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, man.
Before you go, can you play?
That's a funny question.
Before you
Okay.
go, please.
Yeah.
From Lewis Capaldi. Before you go. Okay.
Lewis Capaldi. Before you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can.
Okay. So, bebas, jangan mabok mah. But I'll sing the chorus only, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So before you go, was there something I could say to make your heart beat better? If only half an hour to make us turn to winter. So before you go, was there something I could say to make your heart feel better? If only had to know you had a storm to wait or so.
Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath.
Ooh.
Spinning out in space, pressing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control.
Good.
Okay.
And now you.
That's good, guys.
Play for us.
It's your turn, bro.
Yeah.
My turn. Okay.
Okay, go.
A hopeless romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely, and I wish I found a lover to give on me. Now I'm crying in my room, so skeptical of love, but still I want it more, more and more. I kept a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm left here feeling stupid. Oh, the way he makes me feel, the love is unreal. Cupid is so dumb. Okay. Thank you.
I'm embarrassed.
I'm fucking.
No.
Fucking ashamed, bro.
Don't be like that.
No, really.
We are same, like music, you know.
That was beautiful, bro. You're a really good
Thank
singer.
you. I
Really,
appreciate
really.
that. Thank you.
Anyway,
Like high notes were really.
Oof.
I'm trying to do
Thank
it
you.
all the time, but
thank you.
you're the best. Very nice, very nice.
You,
bro.
your guys are couples or something?
No,
No,
we just
roommates.
yeah, no roommate, flatmates.
Flatmates, yeah. Nice. Oh shit.
Oh,
Nice.
what's your name anyway?
He's Matthias and I'm Christina. And you?
Habibi. My name is Habibi.
Habibi?
Okay.
Habibi. Yeah. Nice to meet you anyway.
Yeah.
I love your posters there, like Bring Me the
The
Horizon.
poster? Yeah.
Green Day, 21 Pilots. Okay.
Can we get your Instagram?
Of course.
Yeah. Okay.
You are writing some of your own songs or something like that.
My own song? Yeah, I do write my own song, just one.
Ah, okay.
Like
this one was yours?
No, it's not.
Oh my god, you have so many followers.
So you're a professional musician. Okay.
No. No, I'm not, man.
It looks like you are.
I knew it was something wrong with you. You got some YouTube channel? Okay.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. I'm giving you subscribe. Let's go.
Thank you. Oh my god, you're so kind.
Stop hitting the fucking guitar.
Anyway, let's talk about the music. What's your favorite band?
Favorite band?
Favorite
Yeah.
band, actually.
Or genre or yeah, something.
Wait, let's take a look to your poster.
Okay, yeah.
No, actually Green Day.
Green Day?
My childhood, so
Nice.
really good. Or Nirvana, I don't know. But I'm listening to everything.
Everything, yeah.
Everything. So,
What about you, Christina?
I don't really know. Really, I don't know.
Oh, like you listen a lot of music?
Yeah, I'm listening too much interprets and so I don't know which one is my favorite. Your turn.
My turn, okay. I really love the Beatles, you know?
Okay.
I don't know.
Beatles is nostalgia, so
I don't know what.
fuck off.
Do you have some like own concerts or something like that?
Oh no, man. I'm just singing sometimes in here in ometv, singing to people like you guys, and just on my YouTube channel or TikTok or something.
Okay.
Yeah. What about you? Are you like college there?
We are at high school.
Oh, high school.
In
How
a
old are you?
senior- 19. And
19?
he's 20.
Oh, yeah, me 20.
Ah,
Yeah.
well, the same age.
My bro.
Mm.
Okay then. Thank you for having me, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe I gotta go. Yeah.
Yeah, we
Okay.
too.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Keep it up, bro. You're really nice.
Thank you.
singer.
Thank you so much. Okay, goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hi.
Hi. Ni hao.
No, I'm not from China.
Where are you from?
Indonesia. Where are you from?
Greece.
What is your name?
Angela. Katerina. Yours?
My name is Habibi.
Habibi. Habibi Yala.
Habibi Yala.
Yala.
Anyway,
Play guitar. Play.
yeah,
Play.
I wanna play guitar.
Can you play some music for us?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Music, what did you go?
Okay, ready?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Carolina.
A hopeless romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely. How I wish I found a love right to go on me. Now I'm crying in my room, so skeptical of love, but still I want it more. I kept a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm left here feeling stupid. Oh, the way he makes me feel the love is unreal. Cupid is so dumb.
Wow.
Okay.
It was amazing. Wow.
Good? You
Wow.
like it?
Fabulous. Yes.
Fabulous. Ah.
It was shocked. I was shocked. It was wow.
It was wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Fabulous, marvelous, wows.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
I have forgotten my words. I don't know.
It's fine. I got you. Oh, I like your nails. I like your nails.
You too. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
She has blonde hair and she's crazy.
Okay, so.
Speaking
Ah?
Filipinese. Kaili ka.
Eh?
Can you play
Hi.
something?
Yes, I can.
In my life, in my mind, where I make up stories all the time, and I pretend that I am not someone left to face the world alone. Lately I'm not the same. I found a stranger calling up my name. Have a feeling we'll be so proud, and he's gonna need me now, but he's not you. He's not you. He will never be you.
Oh, I stopped breathing. Oh.